Have y'all ever seen something and you were like, oh my stars, I've got to show everybody I know? Well, I got to show everybody I know. You've got to check this chicken coop out. Okay, we're talking about painting, wallpaper, antique furniture that is transitioned into little nooks and crannies to hold all of their needs and wants. They've got multiple chandeliers, artwork, and just fabulous. Look at this. This is a chicken coop. This lady had her husband help her build. I know it. And look how beautiful this is. So that turquoise teal thing in the back, look, she's going to open it up for you, and she has everything sorted. So he kind of reconfigured the buffet and made it the buffet for her chickens. And she has like some silk chickens and they have to be separated. And so that's why she has different ones. They've got these beautiful doors to go alongside of it. I mean, she's so cool.
That's
a lot
so
of people,
fancy
I know,
for
multiple
chickens.
chandeliers. Each little coop had
That's nicer than my house, really, for chickens.
Yeah, I mean, because don't they still like go to the bathroom and eat in there
and you know it can't
Yeah.
smell good in there.
But it's so cute.
Okay.
That's a really
good story, Nikki-Dee.
creative. That really is creative.
Yeah.
It really is.
Well,
you know, they used to do
let's
like
get to weather.
she sheds, you know, she sheds in man caves, and now you got this cute coop.
Yeah.
And you know, chickens are big these days. A lot of people have them.
Shed.
I want one. I think that'd be so much fun
Cheese shed
to have. And they come in all different sorts of varieties. They all lay different types of eggs. I mean, I did do a deep dive.
We're out of time, unfortunately, for the deep dive, Amy. We got to move on to
Have
the
a
weather.
great day.
Yeah.
Well, if you do have chickens, please send me pictures. I would be so curious to see your little coop, too.